Yes guys, I will do the unboxing. I am so excited to unbox the gadget that we have bought a while ago. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I will do the unboxing. Yes guys, I will do the unboxing. I am so excited to unbox the gadget that we have bought a while ago. So this is the most exciting moment that I've been waiting. Hi guys, so this is the gadget that I'm going to unbox. My husband bought it a while ago. Here is the receipt. He bought it in Altitude Technologies Incorporation, which is located in Bagumbayan, Quezon City. Okay. It is 2,990 only. Let's start unboxing guys. So here is the receipt. Here it is, the Osmo Mobile 2. Here is the seal. Let me remove the seal guys. Just have to remove the seal. Let's find out what is inside. I'm so excited guys. So here is the seal. I'm so excited. It's black. Ooh, look at that. I really like it. This is like styrofoam to make it secure, the gadget inside. Okay, so let's open together. Guys, look at that. So this is the Osmo Mobile 2. Here guys. Actually, my husband has been watching many videos and YouTubers who are using this kind of handler to make the film or the video steady. So whatever you will do, for example, you are running or you are walking or you are at the moving vehicle, video would be steady still because you can turn it like this, you can move it, it won't be shaky guys. Okay, so this is, you are to see the battery, if it is low bat or if it is full already, and this is rechargeable. This is the power, and this one, there is written WNT. What is this? I don't know. I'm sorry. And this is where you can put the camera or the cell phone. By the way guys, the brand of this is Dji Osmo Mobile 2, and this is what we call gimbal. Yes, gimbal. And it has 485 grams. The spec of this guys is this is affordable, very affordable, because we just bought it for 2,990. So it is really affordable, and battery is long life, so you don't need to charge it every time. And this one is it has a tripod socket for mounting. It works also with most smartphones, so we can use it for smartphone or for cameras. This is very effective video stabilizer or stabilization. It has time lapse, it has also hyperlapse, and it has a panoramic stitching. And the last one, this is good for Androids and iOS, so this is really good. And this is made of China, guys. It is a bit heavy. I couldn't be able to try for now because I don't have the other cell phone. It is downstairs, my husband is using, and the camera is I think not suitable here because it has handy. We have camera, but it is handy camera, so I don't think it will fit in here. I think we can use this one only for Androids or smartphones. And look, guys, this is the lock. Okay, this is the lock, and this one is to unlock the phone. Okay, so, and this one is to put the charger. And there is the wire in here, so we can charge the battery. And there's one more here. This one, yes, it is a stand base, it is a base, so you can use this one to fix it. For example, if you are at the picnic, you can use it there while not holding, just steady and stand it there. Okay, let's find out what is inside. This one, okay. So let's try. Oh, let's try. Okay, so this one, this is it. Okay, so I need to turn this to make it fix. So it won't turn, or it won't move. It will lock inside. This will lock inside, guys, so it won't move or it won't fall. Okay, so here I just put it on my palm. Okay. For example, you want to make a video, you will just simply turn this one to make it steady and not just shaky. This is really good for us, guys, because we love to ride on motor, so this is really fit to us. So videos would be with high quality. Anyways, we thought to buy this one, guys, for you to upload videos, more videos with high quality videos for you, so you will enjoy watching. Okay, so what is inside? There are more. Okay, here is the manual. The manual. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. So, hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing video. Okay, so here is it. Hope you enjoy, guys, and see you on my next vlog. And if you have more questions about us or anything that you think we can answer, just comment down below and we will try our best to film or to make a video for you. That's all, and thank you for watching.